All right, friends, this is one assignment that we had on Thursday, and it said copy the graphs below onto your paper, then complete the scale by labeling the remaining tick marks. So this is the easiest one. It started here and it went 0, and then it had -5 here. So I just figured, well, there's 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes down to -5. So I figured each one has to be 1, right? So I went here, I went -1, -2, -3, -4, and then -5. That worked out. So I kept going to -6 and -7. In the opposite direction, I went, I know it's going by ones, so I went 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And this one over here, this is tricky. It says it goes from 32 to 64. Okay? So then I said, well, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes 32 spaces in 4 steps. So then I said, well, each step has to be 8. Right? I went 32 divided by 4, and I got 8. So I went 32 plus 8 is 40. And then 40 plus 8 is 48. And then 48 plus 8 is 56. And 56 plus 8 is 64. That checks out. And then I went 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. 80 plus 8 is 88. And how do you add 8s? Here's a shortcut. Think about adding 10 and then taking away 2. Okay? So I went 88 plus 8 is like 88 plus 10 is 98. Take away 2 is 96. 96 plus 8 is like 96 plus 10, 106. Take away 2, 104. And then 104 plus 10 is 114. Take away 2 is 112. Now, this one's a little tricky because the tick marks go up by different amounts on the x-axis as they do on the y-axis. Remember, the x-axis goes across horizontally, the y-axis goes up and down vertically, right? So if I took a look at the x-axis, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to 12. So 12 in 4. So I said, well, that one's got to go by 3, right? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I went 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Works, right? 15. And then the other way, 0 take away 3 is -3. -6, that checks out. And then -9. Now let's go on the y-axis. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, and it goes to 10. So I went 10 divided by 5 spots, 10 numbers divided. So it's got to go by 2s, right? So I went 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then back the other way, it went 0, -2, -4, -6, -8. All right, friends, this was 229 from Thursday. I hope this helped.